Nobody likes dry, flavorless food that's comparable to chewing cardboard. On top of that, throwing out stale bread and leftovers is the pits. Even going one step further, a lot of us don't like the thought of using a microwave to cook or reheat food. The perfect solution to avoid these messes and unpleasantries is a steam oven. In this article, I share my picks for the best countertop steam oven. The beauty of modern-day technology is that we like to pack as many functions into one useful gadget as possible. All of the countertop steam ovens in this guide give you multiple cooking modes using steam and convection to make delicious homemade dishes. Plus, bakers will find value here since my top pick has a designated proof setting for proofing your favorite bread. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best countertop steam oven. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 5. F.BLUMLEIN Steam Convection Oven Countertop. The JU3200 is one of the best countertop combi steam ovens on the market that gives you a ton of options at the touch of a button. The range of cooking modes allows for just about every combination you can think of. On top of that, the 24 presets make cooking intimidating recipes easier. Of the models in this guide, the JU3200 is the largest, and it can fit up to an 18 pounds turkey or 1-2 pizza. While this is great, it also means that it'll take up the most space on your counter and require the most vertical clearance. Be sure to measure where you plan to house it to avoid any issues. A couple of unique safety features I like for families with children are the 3-layer glass door that's safe to touch, and the child safety lock. Additionally, convenience features such as the dishwasher-safe accessories and 304 stainless steel interior make operating and cleaning this oven a cinch. Lastly, the 37.2-ounce reservoir provides up to 3 hours of uninterrupted steam for true set-it-and-forget-it cooking. Number 4. Sharp SSC0586DS Superheated Steam Countertop Oven. Sharp is a brand we all know, and the company's countertop steam oven delivers. At first glance, it's easy to tell that this oven is built with high-quality components. I especially like the large top handle that makes checking and removing your food easier and safer. Another design feature that makes this oven special is the hidden baking element that makes cleanup a breeze. There's no need to worry about cleaning between any annoying grooves, simply wipe down the flat surface. As for cooking, this oven uses a superheated steam technique to reach temperatures up to 485 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, there's no preheating required to further reduce cooking times. The base package includes a broiling pan and crisper tray to make loading up the pan and cooking a full meal quite easy. Number 3. BALMUDA the Toaster. If you want to upgrade your current toaster oven or minimize the amount of counter space your steamer oven uses, BALMUDA's the Toaster is an excellent choice. Its small footprint and overall size make it perfect for singles, renters, and couples. However, families of 3 or more will most likely find that other options in this guide are superior since space is limited inside this toaster. Additionally, it's not the best choice for baking bread since there's 2.5 of clearance above the lowest tray position. Outside of those considerations, this compact steam oven is perfect for making toast, pizza, small pastries, and foods such as lasagna. All it takes is 5 milliliters of water poured into the top of the toaster to get the job done. This feature is nice if you don't like the idea of using a removable water reservoir and prefer to save space. Number 2. Robam CT761 Steam Convection Oven. Robam is a well-known Asian brand that's been around since 1979, and their kitchen appliances are catching on in America for good reason. Overall, the CT761 model is the best combi oven for home use on the market. Considering its size, wide range of cooking modes, and the advanced tech offered by this gadget, it's basically like having a full-size oven on your countertop. The only real limitation to consider is whether you have enough room on your counter to house it. Compared to Cuisinart's model, the CT761 has a larger footprint and requires several more inches of clearance if you plan to house it beneath your kitchen cabinets. Other than that consideration, it does cost the most of the models in this guide at the time of this writing. More features that make this oven special are the added clearance for baking bread, the built-in convection fan for even heat distribution, multiple combo cooking modes including grill/steam, the wide temperature range for proofing and baking, a self-cleaning function, and the low-level water alert for added safety. Number 1. Cuisinart CSO301 Convection Steam Oven. Of the models in this guide, Cuisinart Steam Oven is the top steam oven for baking bread. There's a designated bread proofing setting that enhances moisture retention, decreases baking times, and helps novices avoid costly mistakes. Even bread-making pros will love the convenience of baking bread with this handy countertop kitchen device. Outside of baking bread, there's plenty more to like. The 47 ounces removable water reservoir provides up to 2 hours of steady, uninterrupted steam for hands-free cooking at its finest. Several final highlights are the built-in steam clean feature to make removing residuals easier, included racks and pans, significantly reduced cooking times, and the ability to revive leftovers you might have otherwise thrown out. All in all, there's no limit to what this machine can do, and its relatively small footprint won't eat up too much of your valuable counter space. That was our list of the top 5 best countertop steam oven just for you.